Of course, I support because the consequences of rejecting will be more dire than what we are talking about. You reject the finance bill, it means we default on our debt. You default, it means a collapse of our financial system. That means you go to the bank, you have 100,000, but you're being told maybe you can withdraw only 5,000. The pensioners who've invested into government bills and things like that, they will not be able to access their pension. A total collapse of our financial systems, like happened in countries like Greece, Zimbabwe, Argentina. 20-30 years is what it will take us to get out of such a mess. Therefore, the consequences of a reject will be more dire than what you're talking about, which unfortunately people don't seem to appreciate. What I do appreciate, though, is that the protesters, the young people, they have diagnosed properly that there's a problem with the country. Where I disagree with them is what they are proposing as a solution. Rejecting the finance bill is not the solution. In fact, the finance bill has